Wolffena Wise Wolf here, and welcome back to Ultimate Wolf Simulator. Now, I'm sorry for not making a video in a little while. I have been very busy. My birthday just came and went, and a lot of stuff has been going on. So yeah, I thought that today would be the day that I tell you my age. And I am 15. 15 years old. Wow, come here, I want to kill ya. Yeah. So yeah. I am... Wah! No! Leave me alone! Ah! Anyway, yes, it is, now you know that my age, that I am 15. And my birthday was last week, on this very day. So, anyway, let's get on to what we're going to be doing for this day. I'm going to be attacking a lot of stuff, and yeah, I fail. I failed at that trick. I failed. Where's some... You mean there's no food around here? Okay. I can deal with no food. Coming with me. Yeah, that has been going on. And a lot of stuff has been going on, like crazy stuff. And yeah. So sorry for not making a video in a while. So anyway, you probably don't care about me not making a video in a while. You probably don't like me saying sorry. So let's go on with the video. So, what are we going to be doing? I have no idea. Wah! Foxy! Wah! 2 foxies! I cannot handle 2 foxies! Ah! 2 foxies is too much. Go away, Foxy. Go away! Away! Ah! Ha! The Black Heart. Can you please come back to me? Ah. I'm going to get that buffalo. Just hide in the bushes until he's up close, and then boom! Ah! Come on, let's get that buffalo. Even though I'm not strong enough. Okay. Let's run in a circle till my heart, till I come back to health. Oh dear! No! I was so close to dying right there. Oh my gosh! Wow! That was scary, guys. That was. I honestly almost peed myself there. Anyway, why are there 2 bears here? That seems highly unfair. And why am I out of stamina? Oh well, let's go around the bears. Let's find some food like this guy here. And then poof! Ah! What? I am the wise wolf of the West, and I will eat you! Wah! Now let me eat you! Okay. Anyway, yes, I am the wise wolf of the West. Wolffena, wise wolf. Whoa! I just did some matrix, some matrix right there. A matrix? I cannot pronounce correctly. Anyway, yeah. My timer is not on because I forgot to put it on, and I'm not gonna put it on now because I don't really need the timer. So I'm just going to end this video when I feel like it. So yeah. Yay! Not found a glitch, everybody! Holy smokes! I found a glitch. What in the world is this? Where in the world am I? I am under the world. That's where I am. Holy smokes. Developer of this game, if you are watching this, I found a glitch. Wolves can teleport through the floors. If you can, update the game and get rid of it if you can. I don't know if this is one occurring thing, if this occurs only once, but I don't know how to. Okay. Random trees! Where in the world am I? Okay, I have no idea what to say to this. We need to find something that can kill us. The boss over there. Can I even trigger the boss when I'm under here? Thank you. Kill me. Kill me. Oh no. Can I not die? Help. I don't know what to do with the situation here. Let me try switching, let me teleport. Let me make Blue go home and then let me teleport to him. Nope, that did not work. I'm stuck here. Okay, okay, Wolfies. Well, I found a glitch, and you can't even die to get out of this glitch. So, I don't know what to do. I guess, what should I do? Oh, come on. I was just pronouncing my birthday, and then a glitch appeared. What does a 15-year-old have to do with their life? Well, Wolfies, I need your help. I don't know what to do. Hi, me. Let me switch a Rui to Yui. I don't know how this glitch happened. Someone save me. Where am I going? I I don't know what to do. Wolfie's help. I just need to... I need to get that but I need something to kill to get that glitch. The flying glitch. I need to be able to kill something to get... guys. I hate doing this in my videos. I just don't like doing this, but I will have to. This is going to be a lot of work. I will have to BRB, so BRB. Okay, Wolfies, I'm back, and I found another glitch, and now I have it on camera. It's this glitch where you have like the trees inside the place. You know the glitch I showed you in one of my other videos. I can't remember which video it was, but yeah. This game, like from what I have seen so far, there are 3 glitches, and one of the 3 glitches is cool. And that is the flying glitch where you can make your wolf fly when you are chasing after an animal. But yeah, just wow, I can't believe that happened. So anyway, where was I before the glitch happened? Well, it's my birthday. And yeah. Ah, no, go away. Okay. Wow. Blue. I mean, Blackheart. Blue is easier to say than Blackheart. Still, you're in my way. Get out of my way. Wow. Wow. Blue. The AI of these animals is bad. But I will deal for the sake of the video. Anyway, Wolfies. Let's see here. I had to close out of the game and reopen the game in order to fix the glitch. That is a really pain in the neck, and I couldn't do anything else. Oh no. I cannot handle being hurt by... Okay. Blue, I mean not Blue, but Blackheart. You are the masked murderer of the entire universe. Kill these foxes. Wow. Well, Wolfies, wah! I did it! I jumped over this thing, and now I'm pushing it. Woo! Woo! I jumped over it. Okay, Wolfies, let's get the show on the road. Well, let's get wherever we have on the road. Let's get this buffalo. Maybe. I don't think I'm strong enough to take on a full-blown buffalo yet. So let's go for a deer here. Is that deer or antelope, or what kind of animal is that? Comment down in the section below. What animal are you? I don't know my animals by their looks. I can't tell what an animal is by its look. Wah! What? Okay, what? What in the world was that? Okay. This is wow. This game is glitchy. Wow. Okay, this game has a lot more glitches than it had when I first started playing this game. Okay, come back here! Okay. I don't know what to say about this game anymore. Like, before, this game was really awesome until I found all these glitches. And I can't believe I got 2 glitches on the camera. Like, while recording. So, yeah. That's pretty awesome. Anyway. What level do we need to be again to get in our animal? I forgot. Oh well. Let's get going here. And let's find us some food. I am going to kill this one deer and then I'm going to end the video. So, or antelope or whatever this thing is. Yeah. I'm gonna kill ya! And I'm gonna end the video. Okay. Let's do our outro while we eat this thing. Okay. I am Wolffena the Wolf, running at ya, and I will see you in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and become one with the Wolf Pack. See ya!